Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make fried chicken using the brine and fry method. So of course you know I'm going to wash my chicken. If you're an OG subscriber, you know I wash everything. Mix the vinegar up on here, or if you have lime or lemon juice, I like to mix it in first. Then I add water and let it sit for 30 minutes, just like this. And then over here, we're going to work on the brine. So I had a half a jar of pickle juice. Next, I'm going to add some brown sugar. And then I'm also going to add some salt. We are brining, so we have to use salt. I have pink salt, so that's the salt I'm using. I'm using lots of red pepper flakes, some bay leaves, and some water. That's just regular old tap cool water. Mix that up, and that's pretty much the brine for the chicken. I kept it really simple. This is the chicken. I'm going to rinse it off, and we're going to add it to the brine just like this. So I'm just going to start putting the chicken into the brine, and I'm actually going to allow it to sit for about 8 hours. It's about 9 a.m. right now. However, of course, it's going to be better the next day, but today I only have 8 hours, so it's going in the fridge. Next, I'm going to work on the spice rub. That's going to be for the flour. So I'm using a tablespoon of my creole, my adobo, my smoked paprika, black pepper, and you're just going to mix it up, and that's pretty much going to be in the flour to season the chicken. You don't need a lot of salt. The chicken is already sitting in salt, so make sure you be careful with that. So right here I have my 2 eggs beaten to death. In this bowl I'm going to add my flour down in here and get it ready to go. And then also some cornstarch. I always add cornstarch. You want to add the spice blend that we just mixed up, and that's it. That's the flour to fry the chicken up, and now we're good to go. You want to remove the chicken from the brine and dry it off. Do not rinse. Especially if you didn't brine your chicken for 24 hours, but you don't have to rinse this one. It wasn't as potent. It was a pretty simple brine, so all you have to do is just pat dry it, drop it in the egg wash, and then you're gonna drop it into the flour mixture, and this is what you're gonna get: beautiful, perfectly crusted chicken. Now we're gonna fry it up just like this. You want to cook it for about 8-9 minutes per side, depending on how big your legs are. You really can't tell a person exactly how long to fry the chicken. We don't all have the same size chicken. What I do suggest is for all my supporters is to invest into a food thermometer, because that's how I started out. A food thermometer goes a long way, and it helps you out. So this is what the chicken looks like. It's so delicious. I made some quick sauce, and I poured it over the chicken. My husband loves sauce, so that's what I did. So thank you guys for watching. The chicken was really good. It's delicious. It was not sweet, and it was crispy and super flavorful. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.